is Amita's. This company is called Amita Engineering. I associated with SANI last 4 years as a sales manager for Hyderabad region. So in that experience, I have learned so many things from SANI, and I have increased my relations with all of these customers in stated in AP. SANI produce quality and performance products, efficient products since last 2 decades, which made me impressed to associate with this great Ghent group. So in my previous 4 years experience, we have sold lot of equipment in Hyderabad region. Wherever we have sold, most of the customers are satisfied with this equipment, especially in concrete and crawler segments. Even though we have sold some piling equipments also. On performance of those equipments, and again these excavators, we have done a 2 years research and development in some customer side, especially in granite and earthwork applications. In that 1.5 to 2 years experience, the performance of the excavator is really good, and it has been suggested by some customers also. There is some few changes is there. We have changed everything, and these excavators, whatever we are going to display here today, and these models from 5.5 tons to 23.5 tons. These 4 models are coming with economical models. The cost of the equipment is maybe competitive, and the maintenance is very low, and special advantages of these equipments is low fuel consumption equipments. And in case of 21.5 tons, we are providing with different kind of arrangements. For earthwork, we are providing 1 missions and granite applications. So we have different kind of application missions available in manufactured in Pune itself. Factory what located in Pune, its capacity around 450 missions for at this year. We are planning, the company is planning to increase the production by 2012 up to 2000 equipments per year, the range between 5.5 to 23.5 ton. In 2012, we are coming with that granite special excavator 36.5 ton for granite and quarry application. And the most important thing is, today I would like to thanks to all my customers who are here. Because of their motivation and support, today I am here. And special thanks to Mr. Samson Oyu, who is heading SANI Heavy Industry India Private Limited as a country head. And again, Mr. Huang Ki, GM of South, SANI Heavy Industry India Private Limited. And the most important thing, before taking this opportunity, I would like to, even it's a memorable thing for me in life, I would like to say best regards to Mr. B. Krishna Mohan sir, Managing Director of Beckham Infra, who has given first order for me. Before, he has purchased a lot of missions, but after taking dealership from SANI, he has given our first order for me. So soon we are expecting some big orders from corporate segment also and retails. So recently we have conducted one more road. 1 week before, we have conducted road show in Karimnagar. The response of that road show has increased our strength, especially in granite people and retail people. They have really liked this excavator design, especially the boom and stick, what we are supplying in longest boom and stick. And we are coming with this excavator with Mitsubishi engine and Kawasaki hydraulics. So those things, they are really attracted the mission. Especially, I would like to request all of my customers to support me in this business to be a success, since I am very young. So in this stage, I need your all support to be a good entrepreneur. So I request you all to be support me in my future assignment. Thank you very much.